Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we've got a heartwarming and relatable conversation between two friends where one of them shares some amazing news. He's finally free of debt. You'll hear how they talk about financial struggles, personal growth, and what it feels like to finally break free from loans. If you're on a financial journey or love real-life English conversations, this one's for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hey man, you look unusually cheerful today. What's the good news? Well, something big happened. I finally paid off my student loans. No way, that's amazing. How long did it take you? Almost 8 years. But now, I am free of debt. It feels like a massive weight has been lifted off my shoulders. I can imagine. What's the first thing you're going to do with your new financial freedom? Honestly, I'm going to save aggressively for a few months, and then plan a trip to Europe. I haven't taken a real vacation in years. You totally deserve it. I remember how hard you were working. Multiple jobs, budgeting like crazy. You really stuck to it. Thanks. It wasn't easy, but staying disciplined was key. No unnecessary expenses, no splurging. Just focus and patience. It's inspiring, man. I still have a bit left on my car loan. Seeing you finish yours makes me want to buckle down harder. You can absolutely do it. The moment you make that final payment, it's a feeling you won't forget. Cheers to that. Next time we meet, I want to be the one saying, I'm free of debt. Haha, I'll hold you to that. Let's celebrate over coffee this weekend. You're on. Your treat since you're rich now, not rich, just free. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.